Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we're looking at the 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. This vehicle is powered by a 5-liter engine and has 4-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at this vehicle, we can see that it does come equipped with that nice backup camera right there, as well as running boards on each side of the vehicle. They are gripped, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. Moving to the front here, we can see that we do have 2 tow hooks for your towing necessities, a license plate bracket, as well as a block heater to keep your vehicle warm during the winter months. This vehicle also comes with remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look in the back here, we can see that this vehicle does seat up to 6 people, with this turning into a 6th additional seat, as well as all seats have this gray cloth interior, and if you need a little extra cargo space, you can always lift this up for some extra space. Looking over here, we have that 12-volt outlet right there, and 2 USBs. Taking a look on the inside here, we can see that the odometer is at 88,947 kilometers. Looking at the steering wheel, you have your volume controls, your phone controls, cruise controls, as well as a toggle, which can help you with your main menu here, such as driver's assist, settings, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver's assist again, and anything else you would like to go through. Taking a look over here, we do have those 2 cup holders, as well as like a little phone holder or whatever you'd like. A little space down here for whatever you need. You can also lift this up for an extra seat, as well as if you have 2 cup holders down here, which you can move those. Let's do that. There. You can move those for more cup holders, as well as extra space. You also have another 12-volt outlet, two more USBs, your climate, your 12-volt outlet, as well as your media center and your 4-wheel drive capabilities. You also have your media center here where you have your audio, your phone controls, any apps you may have downloaded. This is Wi-Fi capable, settings, forward pass, Bluetooth, display. It does come equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We also have our traction control, our hazards, and our auto stop and auto start. The stock number for this vehicle is FC50388A, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.